Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where luxury meets performance and the road becomes your runway. Today we're taking you deep into the heart of opulence on wheels with the GMC Savana Yukon Denali, your ultimate ticket to luxury. From heaven, this isn't just a van, it's a lifestyle statement, wrapped in elegance, power, and unmatched comfort. If you're someone who craves bold styling, premium space, and that elite class aura with every drive, then buckle up. You're about to discover a masterpiece that redefines road luxury. From the moment your eyes meet its sculpted body, the Yukon Denali radiates presence. The signature chrome grille gleams with pride, while the sleek LED headlights slice through the dark like diamonds. This Savana isn't shy. It commands attention with a bold stance, 20-inch alloy wheels, and an aerodynamic silhouette that screams power with sophistication. But the magic truly begins the second you open those wide, power-sliding doors. Step inside and you're welcomed into a sanctuary of comfort. Premium leather captain chairs wrap around you like a first-class airline seat, while the ambient LED lighting sets the mood for every journey. The handcrafted wood trims, quilted panels, and brushed aluminum accents elevate this van into a rolling executive lounge. Dual climate zones, power-adjustable seating, and built-in massage functions ensure that whether you're driving or relaxing, luxury never takes a backseat. Technology? Top tier. The infotainment system boasts a 10-inch touchscreen with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. A booming Bose sound system fills the cabin with crisp audio, perfect for road trips or mobile meetings. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and rear seat entertainment screens make sure every passenger stays connected and entertained. Under the hood, the GMC Savana Yukon Denali roars with a 6.6-liter V8 engine, offering relentless power and smooth highway cruising. Whether you're towing, touring, or simply making a grand entrance, this van handles it all with grace. The ride is ultra-quiet, thanks to advanced sound insulation and magnetic ride control that absorbs every bump. Like a luxury sedan, safety is paramount and GMC doesn't disappoint. With lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree surround view camera, you're not just driving, you're being protected at every turn. This is not just transportation. This is peace of mind wrapped in comfort and class. Whether you're a business executive, a luxury traveler, or a family that travels in style, the GMC Savana Yukon Denali delivers more than you could expect. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about how you get there. And with this van, you're arriving in style every single time. So what are you waiting for? This isn't a dream, hit that like button. Subscribe for more luxury reviews. And let us know in the comments what you think of this rolling palace. This is Honest Auto Wheels.